of partnerships. And thank you all for being a part of this historic friendship and partnership. And we look forward to another 100 years. ขอบคุณมากค่ะในสำหรับวันนี้
We thank Ambassador Kenny for being here to toast our centennial today. We would like to have a photo with all our guests of honor. Then we have two speeches that will follow. Can all of the guests please remain in their seats while the photo?
Okay. So we're having this exhibition really to celebrate the 98 years out of our 100-year existence that we've been in Thailand. The foundation was formed in 1913, and almost for that entire period, one of the first places we worked in overseas was in Thailand. And the reason for that was in 1913, Prince Mahidol actually met our founder, John D. Rockefeller, and they formed a very close friendship and relationship. Prince Mahidol, as you know, is the sort of father of modern medicine in Thailand. And through his relationship with John D. Rockefeller, encouraged the foundation to come and establish its programs here in Thailand. One of the first things we did was to send teams to look at how to address the challenge of bookworm, which was affecting millions of people in Thailand at the time, as it was in the United States. So the first teams that came out in 1915 set up the bookworm eradication program. And since then, to this date, we have been engaged in supporting many different types of activities in Thailand to strengthen the public health system, to build modern medical capabilities, to develop the field of nursing, and to strengthen the public health schools and institutions in places like Mahidol University. We provided initial support to establish Siriraj Hospital and many of the faculties of science that have been training doctors and nurses over the last 40 or 50 years. So it all goes back right back to 1915, and it's a very long friendship that we've had with Thailand, and this is why we really wanted to have a book that properly tells the story of this pretty incredible partnership between ourselves, the people, the government, and the royal family in Thailand. You know, apart from public health, one of the other areas that we've been very active in has been in strengthening agricultural production. You know, don't forget, 50 or 60 years ago, there was not enough food being grown in the world, and the foundation was involved in helping trigger something called the Green Revolution that allowed the yields of farmers to increase, to improve the livelihoods of people living in rural areas, and to generate enough food production for everyone to be able to eat. So in Thailand, institutions like Kasetsat University that established field trials to improve yields and varieties, also to looking at how do you make crops more resilient to drought or to flooding. A lot of new experimentation in crop technology was centered in Thailand, which benefited Thailand initially, but also many of the other countries in the region, including supporting the work of IRI, which is the International Rice Research Institute in the Philippines. So a large network of institutions across Asia developed over time with foundation support to improve crop technology, crop yield, and ultimately improve the status and situation of farmers in rural areas across Asia.